Hi, this is Annoo and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you could join me today for yet but another tutorial. And today I am sharing with you this adorable purse tutorial. It's a circular kind of basket style purse that I created for you, and it's made with sturdy macrame yarn. It's the first time that I work with that kind of yarn. It took me a little time to get used to it because it's stiffer than the regular yarn that I use, but at the same time it's perfect for bags because it gives you a sturdier bag. And it is super simple, and look how cute it is. It's just basically two circles that are linked by here a little border to give the width of the bag, and then I added two handles, and of course my mother-in-law lined it for me. It's perfect because it's not too big and not too small. It fits my wallet, my phone, my sunglasses, my car keys really comfortably, and the macrame and the stiffer lining that I chose also make it for a really sturdy bag. I think this bag transcends season. You can use it at the beach. You can really rock this with jeans and fall colors because of the mustard color that I choose. And yes, it is perfect also for beginners because the only stitch that we use in this is a single crochet, and then we do a little bit of increasing all around, but increasing is basically making two single crochets in one stitch, in the same stitch. But of course I will take you through it slowly but surely. As usual, I will put all the information about all the materials that I used in the info box down below. Macrame yarn is not that hard to find. I will put links where I bought mine, but there's so many. I think I bought mine on Amazon, so it's really easy to find this kind of yarn. It's not expensive at all, and I thought that for this holiday season I will actually offer this purse as a giveaway. So one of you will be able to win this adorable little purse made by me with love for you. And to participate, it's super easy. As usual, first you need to be subscribed. This giveaway is only for my subscribers. 1, be subscribed, and 2, comment in the comment box down below. That is it. And then I will randomly choose one of you, and you will be the winner of this adorable little purse. What do you think? Yes? All right, good luck to everybody. Isn't it adorable? So those are the handles I chose, but of course you can choose any handle you want. You can also crochet. The handles tell me if you are interested in me showing you how to crochet handles. I have different size of handles that I can show you how to crochet. I have handles that I made with beads, which is really kind of creating an e-cord with beads. That's really cool too. Or just simple chains. I have a lot of ideas to show you how to create handles. If this is something that you are interested in, then put it in the comment box down below. Voila! So if you are not subscribed to my channel, don't hesitate to do so. It's totally free. Click on the subscribe button right here, and don't hesitate to click on that little bell to be notified every time I post something new, or else I'm posting and it goes in limbo. You don't see it. It's very important for me that you know when I post something new and when it goes into limbo because you're not notified of something that I'm doing. It breaks my heart. And also don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up if you like what I am doing. This is in general for all the YouTubers that you are watching. The best way to show the YouTubers your support is 1, to subscribe, 2, to really watch their video. Watch the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. That is so important to show us on YouTube that you are supporting us and that you love us. We need to be loved. We need to feel the love, bring the love. So if you are interested in knowing how to crochet this adorable circular purse, then keep on watching. In the meantime, bye, happy crochet, and see you next time. Love you.
For this tutorial, you will need 2 skeins of a sturdy macrame yarn. I will put the link down below to where you can purchase it. You will also need a 6.5mm crochet hook, some scissors, and a tapestry needle. You will also need 2 handles. Those are the handles of my choice, but you can choose any handle you would like. Alright, take your crochet hook and make a magic circle. You will then proceed by chaining 1 and making a single crochet in your magic circle. Make 7 more single crochet for that first round. We will be crocheting in the round. At the end of your first round, you will have 8 single crochets in total. This bag will be made out of 2 circles that we are going to join together with kind of a brim, a border. Now we are at the first circle. You are at the end of your first round. Pull the end yarn to tighten your little circle. And grab a stitch marker and we will do the second round. For your second round, it is a little tricky. I am not used at least to work with such stiff yarn, but it took me a little while to get used to it. Then I got the gist of it and I was fine. Alright, for that second round, we're going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch. Take a stitch marker and put it at the first stitch you had made. And the stitch marker will help you know when your round begins and ends because you are crocheting in the round. Alright, so what we're going to do for that second round is make 2 single crochet in each and every stitch. At the end of your second round, you will have 16 stitches in total. And I will meet you at the end of your second round. Alright, you are at the end of your second round. You have 16 stitches. And for your third round, place your stitch marker again. And you're going to, in the first stitch, make 2 single crochet in that first stitch. And then you're going to make a single crochet in the next. Alright, there. And again, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. So 2 single crochets in that same stitch. And then a single crochet in the next. And that is what you are going to do all around your third round. At the end of your third round, you will have 24 stitches in total. And I will meet you at the end of your third round. Here you go, you have 24 stitches. Let's tackle on the fourth round. Again, place your stitch marker at the beginning so you know where your round begins and ends. And what you're going to do for that fourth round is just making 2 single crochets in the first stitch and then a single crochet in the 2 next stitches. And repeat that all around your fourth round. You will have 32 stitches at the end of your fourth round. And for your fifth round, you're going to make 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Then you're going to make a single crochet in the 3 stitches that are coming and repeat it all around. And at the end of your fifth round, you will have 40 stitches in total. A single crochet in the 3 next stitches and then 2 single crochets in the fourth. At the end of your fifth round, you will have 40 stitches in total. And that is what you're going to repeat for round 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 until round 12. What you are going to do is add a stitch in between your increases. For example, round 6, you will have 2 single crochets in the first stitch and then a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. At the end of your round 6, you will have 48 stitches in total. Round 7, you will have 5 stitches, 5 single crochets in between your increases. At the end of your round 7, you will have 56 stitches in total. Round 8, You will have 6 stitches in between your increases. You will have 64 stitches. Round 9, you will have 7 stitches in between your increases. At the end of round 9, 72 stitches. Round 10, 8 stitches in between your increases. At the end of round 10, you will have 80 stitches. Round 11, 88 stitches at the end because you have 9 stitches in between your increases. And round 12, 96 stitches. You will have 10 stitches in between your increases. And now we are at round 13. And what you're going to do for round 13 is a round of single crochet, well, almost a full round of single crochet. You're going to single crochet though only in the back loop of your stitch right there. We want to create a bridge in between the two sides of your bag, and we want it to be 90-degree angle, and that is how you achieve that. So you have 90 stitches on that round 12. You are not going to work on 96 stitches. You are going to work 96 minus 25. 71. So you are going to work on 71 single crochets, and then you're going to place a stitch marker, and you're going to leave 25 stitches untouched, and that will be the opening of your bag. You need to have room inside your bag to put things and get things out, and that will be your bag's opening. So place stitch marker right there at the 70 after the 71st single crochet, count 25 stitches and put another stitch marker. You're basically done with the first side of your bag, and now you are creating the in-between. So for that in-between, you're going to chain 1, turn your work around. We're not going to be crocheting in the round for a few rows, 5 rows to be precise. And for the next row of that in-between, it's going to be a regular single crochet, working on those 71 stitches back and forth, not only in the back loop, a regular single crochet. So working on those 71 stitches back and forth for 5 rows. And I will meet you once you are done with that in-between rim for your bag. And if you want your bag to be thicker, you can add rows. I thought that for me 5 rows were perfect. It's a very windy day today, and I am using a new microphone. Let me know if you like this better. Always trying to improve. We are at the 3rd row, and again, chain 1, turn your work around, work on those 71 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4. We're at the 4th row. I'm going to do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I am satisfied with the way the in-between area between the 2 panels of my bag looks like. That is perfect for me. So I'm going to take my scissors and I am going to fasten off. And now we are going to do the second part of the bag. And the second part of the bag is really making another circle, round 1 to round 12, exactly the same way we had done our first little circle. So you have one circle, you have your border, the in-between, and then you have your second circle. You are at the end of your round 12, you have 96 stitches in total. And now what we are going to do is assemble that second disc to the little side border and the first part of the disc we had created by slip stitching, matching stitch to stitch, and picking up the part of the stitch that is further away from you from the side you're working, and then the part of the stitch that is closer to you from the second panel, matching stitch to stitch and slip stitching 71 stitches in total, leaving 25 stitches untouched. And this is basically your bag, guys. You are done with the body of your bag. So what you're going to do is slip stitch in the next stitch once you have 71 stitches in total, and then you are going to fasten off. And here you go, you are fastening off. Super easy, isn't it? I'm telling you, crochet is so much fun. You can do so many things with simple crochet and simple stitches. Now, of course, this is very soft, even though we use the macrame yarn, so we are going to have to line the bag. But first, before lining, you will place your handles around there, just like that. One handle on each side of your bag, and then I chose a beautiful fabric which was actually pretty thick and sturdy, and I asked my mother-in-law to line the bag, and that's what she did. If you wanted to make it even sturdier, you can put some plastic lining in between your bag and your fabric, but because of the choice of my fabric, I went to Joann's Fabric and I got this, which was really sturdy and thick. It was perfect for my bag. This was the winner, this beautiful fabric, and this is what the bag looked like. I absolutely love it. Once my mother-in-law had lined it for me, it was done. It took me just a few hours to create it, and look at that. Those circular bags are it this year. They're perfect for summer, for fall, for winter. It really doesn't matter. But I had so much fun creating it, and it is so super easy to make. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial as much as I have enjoyed creating it for you. I hope you found it as simple as I did, and I hope that this microphone is a little better quality. Let me know in the comment box down below what kind of sound do you like better. And that is about it, my friend. This is the bag. I hope you have liked it. I am loving it. I am looking forward to many more tutorials in the future, and yeah, that's it. Tata for now. Love you. Bye.
Or am I here? Here, what do you think? A little further. Yeah. A baboo boo boo. That is terrible. Everywhere you, and if you are so if you are interested in knowing how to yes, okay. I am weird, officially weird. Then again, that is not new. It's not news to me.